Hey everybody, I've got another edition of Stock Lock Sunday for y'all. And this is a all brass Yale padlock that Peter had purchased, and I'll be sending on over to him. And he asked me to do a pick on it. So I obliged that request, and we're going to pick this guy. Fun little pick. It's got your Yale mushroom pins in it, so it's a fun little pick. 5 pinner. Here is the key, the bidding. Nothing too extreme, but doesn't mean nothing. Still a fun little pick, and I'm going to start out with this medium pick from Lock Tools in 19,000s, and then go over to a little bit steeper pick to finish it off. I have picked this a couple times. I will say the first time I picked it up and picked it, it took me about, I'd say 10-15 minutes to get it open. So top of the keyway with a 40 thousandths pry bar fits perfectly, nice and snug, so I got good control. Medium tension, I suppose, somewhere in there, light to medium, all the way to the back. Feels like pin 3, maybe. Let's start that over. Let's just start right here in the front. I'll click off 1. Don't feel much on 2. 3 kind of felt like it mushed up. That's not a good sign. So I reset it again, went to the back. Pin 3, got to click. Pin 2, got to click. And this guy is just kind of not cooperating for me this time around. There we go. Pin 3. Good click. Get kind of rusty. Haven't been practicing a whole lot. Work has really taken over all of my time here lately. I mean, that's fantastic financially, but as far as free time, it really doesn't give me a whole lot anymore. So, and I do work in the oil and gas industry. I rebuild frac pumps is what I do for a living. So during the summer, I went through a period that I was laid off 4 months, and had a lot of fun, I guess. There we go. We got some core movement on pin 2. Click on 1. Pin 3 was way down. More core movement there. That was pin 3. So we got a good false set going now. Pin 4, counter. And could click, but we lost the false set. We can rake that false set back down. There we go. Got the false set back. Let's go ahead and switch over to the deeper hook now. We're looking for counter, and there it is on pin 3, I believe it is. Got a click, and again lost the false set. Oh, got it back on pin 2. Here we are on pin 1. Pin 1 and 2 feel good. 3 feels good. Get under pin 4 there. Alright, in back pin 5, he just pushed up. Pin 4. I think we just overset him. So pin 4 keeps giving us counter, and feels like we're oversetting him. And there we go. We got him on pin 4. A little bit of a struggle. And so we won't be taking this guy apart because I don't want it to get any dinged up or anything before it gets to Peter. We could take these pins out and drop the internals out of the body, and I do believe it would be drilled out for 6, but it's only pinned up to 5. So if that's something Peter wants to do later down the road, that's totally up to him. But gorgeous lock, super pin tumbler, brand new, never been used, and tough little pick for a standard Yale. So hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.